Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about floors. So these are actually porcelain floors, tile. It appears to look like wood, but they are not. They are porcelain. The great thing about porcelain tile that looks like wood is that they do not scratch. So they are the most durable kind of material you can put on a floor. And if you have dogs or kids or people over and you're dragging chairs or high heels or anything like that on the ground, the floors do not scratch. So you can see the lighter color is actually in right now, and it makes your house look really grand. Kind of just creates a very open and light, airy space, and I love porcelain tile. A great place to find it is Floor & Decor, Home Depot, anywhere like that, they have them. So I recommend doing something like this after you close on a new home, and purchasing floors on your own and having them done, because they're always cheaper than if you get wood floors done with a builder. And it looks fabulous. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone's living just fancier.